be aware that you're very likely to experience some detox symptoms, some things that have sometimes caused people to stop their fast. They start to feel flu and cold symptoms, or they start to get skin eruptions. And so do make sure that you don't let these things cause you to stop. Those are part of the process. You can expect that. You might have headaches. You might be really tired for a while. These are the types of things that happen when you're doing a fast, whether it's a juice fast, a fruit feast, or any type of fast. You're going to have symptoms as your body purges out the various things that have been accumulating in your system. And this is actually a good sign. It shows that it's working. As you are purging these things, they come out through mucus, through skin eruptions, through stomach issues. You might even have emotional and spiritual and mental purging as well. Write all these things down in your journal and keep on stepping.